7 symptoms of a bad serpentine belt in your car. Hello viewers, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Auto Vehicle Fix. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. The internal combustion engines in cars are supported by a number of peripheral equipment, sometimes known as accessories. A power steering pump, alternator, air conditioning compressor, and occasionally a vacuum pump are few of the most important accessories. However, a serpentine belt is necessary for these devices to operate effectively. Many of the engine's auxiliary components are propelled by one single, lengthy belt. The idler pulley or belt tensioner is often present to direct the belt as it travels. The primary engine belt that is visible when you open your car's hood is a serpentine belt, which is also known as an accessory belt or fan belt. 1. Inability to start. Your car's starting issues might very well be caused by a damaged serpentine belt. The engine won't start correctly if the belt is ragged or broken because it might break or slip off the pulleys. In rare circumstances, a damaged serpentine belt can also make it difficult for the alternator to recharge the battery, which might cause starting issues. Therefore, it is definitely worthwhile to inspect the quality of your serpentine belt if you're experiencing difficulties starting your automobile. 2. Engine squealing noise. It's most likely a serpentine belt issue if you hear screeching coming from the engine compartment. The belt slipping on the pulleys is what makes the noise. Numerous factors, such as aging, injury, or wear and tear, may be to blame for this. A faulty serpentine belt may screech as well. The belt may be unable to grip the pulleys effectively if it is very worn, which can also result in screaming. In rare circumstances, a faulty tensioner can make a serpentine belt screech. The belt may slide and screech if the tensioner is not exerting enough pressure on it. 3. A failing cooling system. The cooling system may not function correctly if the serpentine belt is malfunctioning. The serpentine belt drives the water pump, which moves coolant throughout the engine. The engine will overheat if the belt is damaged or broken since it will prevent the water pump from working correctly. A broken serpentine belt may also be to blame for the radiator fan failing. The engine is cooled by the radiator fan, which must function correctly, otherwise, the engine may overheat. It's crucial to inspect the serpentine belt if you discover that your car's cooling system isn't functioning correctly. 4. Dimmed and flickering headlights. The headlights may flicker or dim if the serpentine belt is damaged or broken. This is because a serpentine belt drives the alternator, and if the belt isn't functioning correctly, the alternator may not be able to charge the battery. As a result, when the automobile is idle or moving slowly, the headlights could flicker or fade. The headlights may possibly entirely fail if the issue is severe. It's crucial to inspect your serpentine belt if you find that your headlights are fading or flickering. 5. An outdated belt. The serpentine belt has to be changed if it is visible to be broken, frayed, or in any other way damaged. Because of aging and normal wear and tear, a serpentine belt might eventually get worn out. The belt will lose appropriate contact with all of the pulleys as it starts to deteriorate. This may result in the belt slipping, which may sound screeching. It's crucial to have your serpentine belt changed if you see indications of wear and tear starting to appear. 6. Power outage. A loss of power may result from a damaged or broken serpentine belt. Several engine parts, including the alternator, power steering pump, and water pump, are driven by a serpentine belt. Poor engine performance may come from these components working less effectively if the belt is worn or damaged. In severe circumstances, a damaged serpentine belt may result in the engine overheating or stalling. The engine may have to work harder and produce less power and efficiency if the belt is not operating correctly. 7. Battery's light alert. The battery light may illuminate if the serpentine belt is malfunctioning. A serpentine belt drives the alternator, and if the belt is torn or broken, the alternator may not be able to charge the battery. That's it from today. Don't forget to share your views in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more interesting facts about your vehicle.